Hello everyone, this is Tina from R290 Heat Pump. Today, I would like to introduce our bestseller R290 Heating, Cooling and Domestic Hot Water Heat Pump to you. Now, you can see the design, and this is the front, the top, the side, the back, and you can see the water inlet and the water outlet. For the maximum water outlet temperature, it can be 75 degrees. For the heating capacity, it has 5, 7, 9.5, 12, 15, and 22 kilowatts. For the single phase. For three phase, it has 9.5, 12, 15, and 22 kilowatts. 1 kilowatt can heat about 10 square meters, so you can, according to your house heating area, to choose our model. What's more, our heat pump has the Wi-Fi and the RS485 function, so you can monitor your heat pump on the phone or computer to see the heat pump real-time performance data. That's very convenient for you, right? Our heat pump can also connect to the solar panel and has the SG ready function. And our heat pump is R2 water heat pump. It only uses 25% electricity and 75% air heating, so it's electricity saving products, can help you reduce your electricity bills. And after production, we will pack the wire controller for you. Our wire controller has 10 kinds of languages like English, Polish, French, and other languages. Also, our heat pump can customize the logo, so you can send your logo documents to us and we can help you to customize it. Okay. Are you interested in our heat pump? If you have any questions, you can contact me at any time. Thank you.